father loves me!
Hey, Squidward.
Squidward.
Hey, Squidward.
Squidward.
Hey, Squidward.
Mr. Squidward, clean up in the head!
Hey, Squidward.
Also clean up here!
Hey, Squidward.
I said clean up! Hey, Squidward!
Squidward. Hey, Squidward. Hey, Squidward. Hey, Squidward. Hey, Squidward. Hey, Squidward.
Squidward!
Hey, Squidward. Hey, Squidward. Hey, Squidward.
Don't just lay there! Clean up! Clean up! Clean up! It was just a dream. Just a horrible, realistic, totally on-point dream. Oh, I can't believe I'm dreaming about work when there's so many more interesting things I could be doing. Just look at my unfinished painting. And my unfinished symphony. And my uneaten strudel. My strudel!
It just tasted like pie to me.
It's a strudel, you barbarian. Just look at those pastry layers.
Oh,
Oh, I just woke up and the day's already a disaster. I can't face the Krusty Krab today. I am staying home and diving into an ocean of Squidward. What the?
any more of that layer pie?
Now to get rid of the other monkey on my back.
Krusty Krab!
Oh, Mr. Krabs, it's Squidward.
Mr. Squidward, what are you doing on the phone? You should be working.
Can't work. Too sick.
You do sound pretty bad. You sure you're too sick to work?
I mean, positive.
Too sick, eh? I got the cure for what ails you. Well, you just rest up, Mr. Squidward. I'll take care of everything.
Okay, bye, Tucky. I mean.
Oh, when fakes sick on Mr. Krabs and gets away with it.
No work for me today. Mr. Squidward gets to play. No customers for me to fear. SpongeBob can take a long walk off a very short pier. Huh? Oh, that must be the crudité I ordered. Oh, Mr. Krabs, I didn't see you there. How thoughtful of you to visit me in my weekend stay.
Oh, think nothing of it, Mr. Squidward. You sounded so bad on the phone. I rushed right over to make sure you were taking good care of yourself.
Well, I wouldn't want to infect anyone, so you should probably go now.
Oh, you are in no condition to be alone. That's why I brought you some help. Take one of these and call me in the morning.
The doctor is in. Swaddle, swaddle, swaddle. Hush a now. Don't strain yourself.
Okay, back to the swaddling.
Aw.
Now just forget that yellow nuisance and lose yourself in music.
Squidward, you shouldn't be wasting your breath in your weekend stays. Let me blow the clarinet for you.
No, don't touch my...
Cling, bleh.
thick strudel will make everything all right.
Oh, Squidward! Time to take your temperature.
Get that thing away from my...
Ooh, 98.6. Oh, Squidward, you're all better. I'm so happy we can both go to the Krusty Krab now.
What? No! Give me that thing. You must have read it wrong. Oh, hey, what's that over there?
Oh, cool! A wall! So smooth. Well, that was fun. Now let's check that thermometer again, shall we?
Here you go.
Yikes! A fever! Squidward, we gotta cool you off! Stop! You're right, you need it even colder. Thank you.
Oh, boy.
There, all better?
No, you buffoon!
You're right, Squidward. I have been buffoon. What? I've been treating the symptoms instead of the sickness.
Stay away from me with that thing.
But we have to figure out what you have so we can treat it.
No, I already know what I have. It's, acute, spotting, sclerosis.
Acute spotting sclerosis? I never heard of that one. Better look it up. We gotta find a cure fast. I found it. Here it is.
You did?
Yep, and the cure seems pretty simple. See?
Wait, did I say, acute spotting sclerosis? No. I must have meant, Plurkington syndrome.
Found it! Now, let's get to the curing, shall we?
Are we done?
Don't be silly. We've just begun. Tentacles resident, SpongeBob speaking.
Hello, me boyo. How's the patient?
Better! I'm all better! Please just let me go back to work!
Oh, nonsense. You still look so sick. Better step up the gear, SpongeBob.
Whatever you say, Mr. Krabs. Aha! Open wide.
Will not get that anywhere near my mouth.
Oh, guess again. So the book told me to stretch his nose, shock him with a jellyfish, and then I scraped his lungs and cleaned him out with a toxin-eating urchin.
Priceless. Well, Mr. Squidward, feeling better after your sick day?
You might say that.
He's glorious.
That's right. I used to be sick of everything, but I'm not sick anymore. I've been plagued by toxins and stress built up over the years at this job. But SpongeBob washed those away. Now, who wants to order? Double Krabby
Hey, Squidward. Muscles.
Oh!
Hey, Squidward. Hey, Squidward.
More layer pie.
Hey, Squidward. Hey, Squidward. Hey, Squidward.
No! I think I'm going to be sick.